Are signs of aging starting to appear on your skin? Is your skin still dull or dry even after using expensive creams and treatments? Every year, our skin sheds up to 4 kilograms of dead cells. But have you ever wondered, why do wrinkles not stop even after using all those costly products? A new study reveals that 87% of skin aging isn't caused by beauty products. It's actually caused by what's on your plate. Because we often treat the symptoms, not the root cause. The real glow of your skin comes from what you eat. Hi, I'm Dr. Geeta, your wellness coach and lifestyle partner. You're watching Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub. In today's video, we'll talk about 7 superfoods that even prestigious institutions like Harvard and UCLA call miracles of anti-aging. So, if you want your wrinkles to fade, your face to glow from within, and your skin to look 10 years younger, watch this video till the end. Because one of these foods has even been called the fountain of youth by Harvard University. Yet many people tend to ignore it. 1. Avocado, the wrinkle erasing fruit. A UCLA study says that eating 1 avocado daily can reduce forehead wrinkles by 24% in just 12 weeks. It contains oleic acid, which locks in moisture, reduces inflammation, and deeply nourishes the skin. Eat half an avocado daily. And don't skip the dark green part. It's the most nutritious. Pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon or bell peppers to improve iron absorption and enhance skin nutrition. 2. Guava, natural collagen booster. Guava has 2.5 times more vitamin C than oranges, making it a supercharger for your collagen factory. Red guava contains lycopene, which protects your skin from UV rays. Don't throw away the seeds or peel. That's where the real anti-aging magic lies. Research shows people who eat guava regularly have 30% fewer wrinkles. Eat it with yogurt or healthy fats like almonds for better vitamin absorption. 3. Kale, nature's sunscreen for your skin. Kale is a leafy green vegetable and a well-known superfood. It resembles spinach or mustard greens and is extremely nutritious. It's rich in vitamin K, which helps reduce damaged skin cells. Steam it lightly and mix with olive oil and lemon to preserve nutrients and flavor. 4. Berries, better than expensive skin treatments. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries can reduce sun-induced skin damage by up to 40%. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, which prevents collagen breakdown and boosts its production. Eating 2 servings of berries daily for 2 months improves skin elasticity and hydration significantly. Pair berries with yogurt or nuts to enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Harvard has even labeled berries as the fountain of youth for their ability to slow aging and keep skin youthful. 5. Fatty fish, nature's Botox. Fatty fish, like salmon, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keep skin cells plump and hydrated from within. Eat salmon 2 to 3 times a week, or add flax seeds and walnuts for plant-based omega-3s. They strengthen skin cells and bring a natural glow. A German study found that fish oil improved skin elasticity by up to 30%. Cook the fish baked or steamed, not deep-fried. High heat destroys healthy fats. 6. Tomato, natural sunscreen for the skin. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which can protect skin from UV rays by up to 40%. Cooked tomatoes, especially with olive oil, make lycopene 4 times more absorbable. Eating tomato paste daily can significantly reduce sunburn issues. Eggs, complete skin nutrition. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, which help in collagen and elastin production. Egg yolks have lutein, selenium, and vitamin E, perfect for repairing wrinkles and skin damage from within. Eat boiled or poached eggs and combine them with olive oil-based salads for maximum nutrient absorption. You don't need to eat all 7 foods at once. Start with any 2-3 of them and see visible changes within 28 days. These foods work deep within your skin, unlike surface treatments. So from today, treat your food as your skincare. Not creams, but the right nutrition will give you that ageless glow. If you've tried any of these superfoods, do share your experience in the comments below. If you liked this video, like, share with friends, and subscribe to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub so we can continue helping you make your skin healthy from within.